Hi doctor, good day to you. I just read your articles. I just wanted to give my comments before you proceed with your questionnaire. First of all, change the topic to students' perception and adaptability on Indian higher education reforms. That should be fine. Don't have to follow this format. So you are trying to capture the perceptions of the students. So therefore, it would be ideal if you can use the topic such as this. Then I have given you some comments to change in this content. There is no need to mention all these things. What do you mean by quality parameters? I am not so sure. So you have to be very clear when you mention such things in your research questions. But before that, I would like to suggest you need to identify your constructs in your questionnaire. So constructs are the variables which you are going to measure. Okay, don't get confused. So they are just mere variables. I am using the word constructs because here you can see it is very clearly given the reforms encapsulate on these variables. So now this becomes your constructs: autonomy, accountability and transparency, employability, social responsibility, innovation, research and entrepreneurships. All these things are your constructs, the variables which you are supposed to measure. The source from which I have taken these pictures, the web links, everything I have given you here. So you need to build your questionnaire based on these 5 elements that encapsulates the higher education reforms, because that's how it is all mapped. So now you have to coin these elements to have 3 minimum question items in your questionnaire as shown in the table. So the construct is autonomy. So what are the research questions you are going to place under autonomy? You should put it here. What is the research objectives that is aligned to this autonomy? You have to place it here. Then the questionnaire items. And these questionnaire items you cannot do it yourself unless you read these articles. You see here, for autonomy, use the guidelines. You have to take these research articles and see how far those research articles can give you a research question to be placed here. Okay, so that will be your research questionnaire item. That is what you are supposed to ask the students from reading that particular article. So that article source I have given you here. Similarly, for each construct I have given the corresponding links which you have to read and then frame your questions which you are going to ask your students here. That will become your question items. So now if somebody asks you, how did you arrive at your questionnaire? You can say that we have adopted based on this. Okay. So based on this, and whoever has mentioned here, you can always quote. You can say based on the higher education reforms, blah blah blah, in the website, we have adopted the various constructs, and from there we have derived the questionnaires mapping with the following objectives and following research questions, and respective articles which will give you an insight of how to frame the research questionnaire items can be arrived after reading through these articles. Hope this is clear. I think I have given you enough idea. And also this particular source which I found very interesting when I was reading can be included in your literature review, because this is very recent literature, and this will be very interesting for you. You can just Google and find out easily from where I got this resource. So all these things I am just capturing you for you to build your questionnaire. Once you finish your questionnaire, then I'll check it up whether it is okay or not. Thank you.